and Uncle Jeff are here. We got an Amtrak train. It is coming. It is Amtrak Auto. So, maybe. We don't know. Yep, it's the Amtrak Auto. You see him?
Yeah.
Here he comes.
It just may be.
Yeah, it is. You see it? He's getting taller.
Yep.
Oh, I think he has a heritage unit. There he goes! He's doing a
Auto train.
There you go! Yep, there goes the auto cars! I knew you would have seen it if you stayed here.
Yeah.
And there he goes.
Woohoo!
Oh, that was awesome. That was worth the wait, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was honking like crazy.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, he was giving us a horror show.
That's right.
Alright, guys, that's about it for this video. Share with your friends. That was my first Amtrak Auto train on YouTube, so yeah, I think that was a pretty good shot. Yeah, what was your opinion on that?
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was cool. He was honking like crazy. But no, most of the lights are red.
Yep.
Yep, that was for that turn. Alright, guys, that's about it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.